Right. Today we are going to discuss about the permission schema, which is in reference to the JIRA administration. So in reference to the JIRA administration, the permission schemas are something essentially important where we need to provide permissions for all that. Even if you want to administer the projects or if you want to browse the projects, or else if you want to manage any kind of sprints or something like, so these are the permissions which we have to provide. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how these project permissions should be changed and how these project permissions has to be configured. So in this is what generally you have. You can go to project settings where you will be finding permissions here. So if you can click on this project permissions here, you can see there is an option called actions. Go there, edit permissions. Right. So here, this is where generally you need to edit the permissions where we need to update, right? If you want to update any kind of information here, update, grant permission for administering of the projects to whom are we going to provide is what we need to provide here. Now to grant permission for this project role that I have given for administrator. Yeah, administrator is what generally the permission I am giving, right? So here you can see this administration of the projects given for administrator. Next, if you want to browse, so you can see here grant permission for you. Next, browse projects. If you want to update this information, this is for the group of people. Yeah, this is for the group of people who are relating to the JIRA administration part, all that. At the same time, these will be given for single user. At the same time for the project leader, and at the same time for a current assignee here. I'm deselecting this, right? So browse projects and all, single user I have given, project leader and as well as current assignee. So you can see we have granted a permission here. Now, if you want to manage sprints, update, project role, administrator we are giving. At the same time, we are giving for a single user. Single user may be anyone. Right, so because we have not updated any single user so far. Right, so here we have granted permission even for that, right? So managing sprints we have given. Now, if you want to view aggregated data, project role, administrator we are giving, any logged in user. Yeah, project role, administrator, any logged in user, project lead, update. Right, so we have given a permission here. Now, if you want to view development tools, right? So view development tools and all. Administrator is the person who will be doing it. Single user may be anyone, right? So project leader and current assignee we have given. Now view read-only workflow, right? So workflows reading will be given for the administrator because administrators are the common people. At the same time, we are giving this for current assignee and as well as the project lead. Okay, these are all something relating to the project permissions I have given. So now when we talk about issue permissions here, assignable user, administrator, project lead, current assignee. Next, assign issues, project role to the single user, project lead, and current assignee. Next, if you want to create any kind of issues here, we are giving for administrator. At the same time, for a current assignee and as well as for the project user, right? So create issues. Now, if you want to delete any kind of issues and all, so this will be given only for administrator for updation purpose. At the same time, for edit an issue, this will be given for administrator. At the same time, for a current assignee here. Now, if you want to link any kind of issues and all, so we're an administrator at the same time. This will be given for the project lead as well. Now, if you want to modify the reporters here, application access, JIRA software, right? So modify reporter here. At the same time, project lead and as well as current assignee. Now, if you want to move issues, okay. So if you want to move issues and all, so this will be given to the current assigner, project lead followed by the administrator, because administrators are common, right? So because administrator are the people who are essentially important for us to work with. So that if you observe closely, so that one we have given automatically, right? So we set issue security is only for administrator we are giving. Even if you want to transition an issue, administrator, and this will be provided only for the project lead. This is how generally this permissions in reference to the project followed by the issue permissions is what I have given. In the next video, we'll be discussing about water watcher permissions and as well as comment permissions on that. Thank you.